Hey everyone, how can you hear me? 1122. And today I am escaping the city. You know, my favorite thing about get away from city, from noisy, full of problems city is solitude. You know, the best decisions are usually coming to me when I'm alone and I can think. And this is how my breakfast looks like. A little bit of ham sandwiches with a cheese, a little bit of this is what I'm taking with me, potato salad. Maybe just in case I take with me some tuna cans, a couple apples, and probably a couple berries, if you can see. This is my backpack. I forgot to get a pass. You know, I'm unintentionally bad planner, but I left some cash, unfortunately Canadian cash, so they're either gonna be pissed or pleased. Fingers crossed. This trail is very simple, only 3 miles one way, and I'm gonna test my snowshoes, my camera. I got this new fleece Columbia, a couple more geeks and tweaks. I definitely want to update my cooking equipment. I need to upgrade my game, my cooking game. And that's what we're gonna do, just Park Butte Trail 603. 3.5 miles one way, 7 in total. So it's about 12 kilometers, 10 to 12, easy peasy. And we got the first nice viewpoint. The road is snowy, a little bit muddy, and I'm using Salomon shoes with gaiters, I believe they're called, and that works very nice for me. Look at this. You know, that's all you need for happiness. Just a little bit of fresh air, a little bit of solitude, a little bit of exercise, all combined, equal happiness, you know. You don't really need much. And this is why you need snowshoes. Let me show you this hole. It's pretty, like, I think it's like, I go, you can see, it's almost up to my hips. Look at this! Ooh. And as you can see, it's getting beautifully and beautifully. I guess I should have said more beautiful and more beautiful. Oh, back. Still playing with camera. And another interesting thing about Mount Baker, you cannot use the washroom anywhere on the trail. I believe number 1 is fine, but number 2 is not. And they usually have a roll at the bottom that they give away. You know, you can take a 2-3 blue bags to basically do a toilet business in it. And it does make sense, because when everything is melting and during summertime, it's probably going to be covered with shit. And I reached the important point in this trail. I found the final destination, but it's basically a little house right there, and that's where we're going. And you can see some other people, how small they are, all this huge territory. Another thing about the snow, that's why I like to hike early in the morning, because the snow is still very firm and you don't go under it. But now, as we're getting closer to noon, I'm getting down on the snow. That's weird the way I word it. I'm basically falling down on the snow. Oh. Okay, and that's another thing I'm testing. Check this out. Snowshoes. Very a little bit bulky and old, so I'm thinking maybe I should upgrade it. This is probably one of the best view yet so far. Let me show you. This is basically Mount Baker, and I'm going to the lookout point. As you can see, there is a little house. Oops, sorry, over there. And that's basically my goal for today. That's where I'm gonna rest, dry my clothes, and more importantly, I'm gonna eat my lunch. Just look at this. Wow, 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 wow. Almost there. Take a look. And we're almost there. You know, this is the easiest part. And we're finally here. There we go. Park Butte Lookout. Whew, it was a little bit harder than I expected. Oh man, how lucky I am. Whew. Let's see what's inside. Some equipment, Bible. You can open all the windows from outside, so it's bright. A little bed, a couple blankets, a journal, playing cards, a little bit of equipment, even a tripod, thermos. I'm not sure what it is. A couple batteries. Okay, it's a lighting. Some tools. I don't think I've ever seen a tape like this. It's like 20 years old. So, like old school. Some nails. Tripod already showed you, but look at this. They got guitar. Some jackets. So basically you can walk every side of this cap. However, as you can see, as soon as you get at the top, the weather get nasty. Just poor luck. But anyway, you know, I do my best. I just hope it's not gonna get like horrible. Oh, bear with me.